In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but more precisely, we will see soit. So, let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stress pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about soit and the stressed pronoun soit can be translated into various ways in English, such as oneself, himself, herself, or themselves, depending on the context. So we will see some examples with soit. Chacun pense à soi. Chacun pense à soi. Il est important de prendre soin de soi. Il est important de prendre soin de soi. Chacun chez soi et les vaches seront bien gardées. Chacun chez soi et les vaches seront bien gardées. On doit être vrai envers soi-même. On doit être vrai envers soi-même.